11. Yes, deberes. UI theater is back again. This time, we are going to start with one sketch, the bus stop. Played by Eva, the student. Katy as the old lady. Deborah as the robber. And Alberto as the policeman.
Excuse me?
Yes.
The 44?
The 44?
Yes, the number 44 bus. That is stop here.
I don't know. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. No, it doesn't.
Pardon?
The 44 doesn't stop here.
Oh, good.
What?
I said, oh, good. I'm very pleased.
What do you mean?
I don't want to catch a number 44. Excuse me again?
Yes.
The 46?
The 46.
Yes, the number 46 bus. That is stop here.
Do you want to catch the number 46?
Yes.
45, 45A, 45B, 45C, 46. Yes, the 46 stops here.
Oh, good.
Look, here comes the 46 now.
You didn't stop.
I know.
But you say the number 46 bus stop here. You are telling lies.
No, I didn't. That one was full. Look, here comes another one.
A number 1? I don't want a number 1. I want a number 46 bus.
I didn't say a number 1. I said another one. Another number 46.
Oh, I see.
This one will stop.
It didn't stop.
I know.
Excuse me again?
No.
Pardon?
No, the 47 doesn't stop here.
No.
Or the 48, or the 49, or the 50.
No, you don't understand. I want to ask you a question.
Oh, yes?
Are you a doctor?
What?
Are you a doctor?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're a doctor.
No, I'm not a doctor.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. I see. I got this terrible pain.
Sorry, I'm not a doctor. I'm a robber.
What?
I'm a robber, a thief.
Teeth? No, my teeth. My back. The pain is in my back. My teeth are all white.
I didn't say thief. I said thief. I'm a thief. A robber. I'm a robber. Look. Here is my car.
Some Bosques, robber, bank specialty. Oh, you are a robber.
That's right. What's the matter?
Police! Stop it!
Don't be quiet. That's right. I rob banks. I don't rob people. And I certainly don't rob old ladies.
Old lady?
Yes.
I am not an old lady. I only 92.
I don't care if you're 92 or you are 192. I'm not going to love you.
I don't believe you.
What?
I don't believe you are a robot.
What do you mean?
No, 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 impossible.
I'm a robot.
No, you are too small.
What do you mean I'm too small?
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not too small. And anyway, I got a gun. Look.
Oh, you have got a gun?
Yes. Sophie, that's right. It's not real.
Not real?
No.
Oh, you call yourself a robot?
Yes?
You listen a real?
No.
You are too small? Or you can even rob an old lady at the store?
That's right, that's right, that's right. I will show you. I will rob the next person who comes to the bus stop.
Oh! Look! Here, come. Come.
All right. Watch this. Excuse me.
Yes,
Put up your hands.
I am sorry, I do not speak English.
Give me your money.
What?
Your money.
Money?
Yes, money.
No, it is not money, it is Tuesday.
I didn't say Monday. I said money.
No, it is not money. I told you, it is Tuesday. Look, it's in this book. Money, Tuesday.
What's it book? English for no situation. In a restaurant, on a train. Here it is. Lesson 16, the robbery. Look, dialogue 1. Give me your money.
Oh, money.
Yes.
Are you trying to rob me?
Yes, I am.
Are you a robber?
Yes, I am.
I will call the police.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't. Please, man, I write passes. You can never find one when you need one.
No, you are wrong. There is a policeman standing behind you.
I don't believe you.
No! What's going on here? Right! You cannot go with me to the station!
Oh, no.
Oh yes, 14, police station.
Station? I want to catch a train. I want to catch a number 46 bus.
Not the railway station, madam. The police station.
Oh, the police station. I know it.